Now, going with estrogens and some of the next topics and questions that kind of correlated with that, and we're talking about our cells, and we talked about free fatty acids. Can you talk a little bit about, I know it's a huge topic and how it can cause a sluggish liver. It can be recirculated to the body and inhibit T4 to T3 conversion, cause a toxic environment at the cell level, leads to edema, etc. Can you talk a little bit about that in regards to, free fatty acid production, cell metabolism, and the thyroid, in regards to energy production a little bit more in depth?
Thyroid is the hormone that activates our whole oxidative system and leads to the production of carbon dioxide when it's working properly. And estrogen, besides working at the cell level to waste oxygen, happens to block the enzymes that secrete thyroid hormone. And the fatty acids that are saturated happen to oxidize with fair safety. The polyunsaturated fatty acids are the ones that are more likely to break down and produce free radicals. But cells distinguish between these two types of fatty acids and prefer to oxidize the saturated fats. That means that anytime you eat a little bit of excess unsaturated fat, it primarily goes into storage because the cells prefer not to oxidize it but to store it instead. But estrogen prefers those oxygen-wasting, free radical-producing fats. It preferentially causes them to be liberated from storage. So under the influence of estrogen, all of the free fatty acids increase. Women have, on average, higher level of free fatty acids circulating, but preferentially estrogen brings the polyunsaturated fats out of storage, especially the very long-chain polyunsaturates. And these are the ones that most interfere with other levels of thyroid function, not just the secretion, which estrogen directly does, but with the transport and metabolism of the thyroid hormone. So at many levels, estrogen and the polyunsaturated fats are working together to inhibit the function of the thyroid hormone and the oxidative system.